Okay, let's try the hyperbola question. Now, they made it a little bit better than our tutorial. You didn't have some sort of tricky thing where you had to rearrange this. You've got a minus a over, p minus q. I'm looking at plus nothing at all here. So I'm looking at everything I need all set up. I know the shape of it and everything. Determine the x and y intercepts. Well, the y-intercept is pretty easy because you just take 0 and put it in there and you get minus 3 over 4. 0 and minus 3 over 4 is the y-intercept. What about the x-intercept? Well, we let y equal 0. We let y equal 0. Hey, did I not do? Y equals 0 is the horizontal intercept. Oh, interesting, interesting. You see, y equals 0, there's nothing we can put in there that will make it equal to 0. I forgot about that one. Yeah. If we make y equal 0, there is just no way to make it work. You end up, you multiply straight across, you get 0 equals minus 3. That just doesn't make any sense. There is no x-intercept. How interesting. But that's because x equals 0, y equals 0 is the horizontal asymptote. It can't hit the x-axis. That's the asymptote. The x-axis is an asymptote. Okay, state the equations of the asymptotes. Well, y equals 0 is the x-axis is an asymptote. And the opposite of this, x equals minus 4, because it can never equal 0, this can never be, this can never be minus 4 because you can't divide by 0. And so there it is, the vertical asymptote and the horizontal asymptote. Now sketch this. What is it going to look like? Well, we've got our y-intercept at minus 3 over 4. We know our branches are in that second quadrant and fourth quadrant of the hyperbola sort of thing. We know that y equals 0. The x-axis is one of the asymptotes. And then we go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. We write x equals minus 4. There it is. All we have to do is, we know there's a branch like this, and it doesn't get up to the x-axis, so it must hit at minus 3 over 4. That is the y-intercept. There is no x-intercept. It just can't get down there from either side. Well, that's it. Hey, we're almost done. Determine k if y equals x plus k is an axis of symmetry. That's the positive thing. Well, the key thing is this little point right here. We know that its gradient is 1, but we know this is the point it goes through, which is minus 4 is the x-coordinate, but 0 is the y-coordinate. So that's all we do. We just take minus 4, we put it in for x, 0 we put in for y, and what do we get? Oh, we add 4. K is 4. Does that make sense? If I had a line going like that, it would hit way up here. It would hit about K over 4. Kind of did a little check to make sure that I got it right, and I'm pretty sure I did. Okay.